Hi. All right. Good to have you again on this channel. It's been a while I dropped any new video, and that's because I've been quite busy with a lot of stuff, and I would like to apologize for that. So I would be dropping some series of videos, and I want to start up a series today, and I'm hoping that you will actually love it and you'll learn from it. So it's basically how to make money online. I've had lots of questions. People have asked me, how can I make my first $10 online? How can I make $20? How can I make 30? How can I make 100? How can I make 1,000? And I would love to share a few tips. All right. Okay. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and like this and smash the like button. Sorry, not like the like button. So you smash the like button. Okay. And I know you will definitely get value for this. So once you watch the video till the end, smash the like button if you got value for it, and it's gonna help me quite a lot. It's gonna help me a lot. So here we go, quickly. And I'm hoping this video won't take so long. So very short time. I want to show you how you can make money online. And one of the most popular ways to make money online is freelancing. So freelancing, what is freelancing? Freelancing is simply, let's find a good definition. So freelancing is earning a living, or how do I put this? What is the meaning of freelancing? Okay, so we're doing this together, right? So it means if you freelance, it means you work for yourself. You do projects with different companies rather than being a company employee. All right, that's amazing. Now, I am privileged to be a freelancer. I work with quite a lot of companies, but I do not, or I am not staffed by any, but I earn money from them for the jobs I do. All right, so you can work as a freelancer, and then this is one of the most common ways to work. This is one of the most common ways to earn money. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you a few websites, mostly the popular ones I'm well aware of, where you can offer your freelancing services. The first one of the most common one, is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a website that allows you to get jobs. So here you register, become a freelancer, and start making money. You start making money. Now the truth is, it's always not as easy as it sounds. You'll see a lot of videos here on YouTube, and they'll tell you register, apply for jobs, complete your gig, blah blah blah, and immediately you start making your first $100. I can guarantee you that it's not as easy as it sounds. One of the things you first have to do is to get your first review, get your first sale, get someone to trust you, get someone to believe in your service, and then you can from there henceforth begin to make sales. And one of the tricks I would give you is, it's going to be hard to get your first gig, your first job. I will be sincere with you as much as possible. It might be hard to get your first sale on Fiverr. So there are some Facebook groups where people exchange reviews and the rest like that. So find someone to give you a review, give you a thumbs up on one of your service, and automatically you could propel yourself to the top of the Fiverr ladder. All right. And there are also other ways to do it. Probably we could call them the black hat method, but they work. They work. They might be black hats, but they work. Okay, but it's just a way of improving your sales and getting started. Okay, next most popular one is called Upwork.com. Upwork.com. So you come to Upwork, you can sign up, get verified, get approved, apply for jobs. You'll be given content here. I am privileged to work here, so that's my name, and that's my name. See if you could find me quickly. So that is my name, and let's hit the search button. Okay, so this is my account. This is me. As you can see, this is me. I'm a top rated seller on Upwork, 95% job success and $8,000 earned, and I charge about $20 per hour. So let's click in so you know that this is real, this is profitable. Okay, As you can see, this is my profile, and how many do we have? 90 completed jobs. No, it's obvious. Okay, we have 240 completed jobs. So as you can see, that's me. How do I look? Do I look cute? All right, so here we go. So feel free to join any of these websites, and let me show you something here. This is okay. Can I find that? Okay, oops, sorry. Verification. All right, so I want to show you my Fiverr account also. Here we go. I think, yeah. All right. Okay, I think something is wrong with the Fiverr server, but I also have a Fiverr account. The next site you could want to consider is Workana.com. It's been a while I've used this service. Now that didn't work, so I apologize for that. This is a very real video. I'm not hiding anything from you guys. This is a site that I've made money from. I've made money from Workana.com, but I guess they're out of work. And this is quite popular also. We have Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com, so you can earn money freelancing. And once you do here, you register, apply for jobs, and you get it. I found out about this website some days ago. Brain Trust. Yes. I found out about this website some days ago, and it's quite awesome. So I have registered on the site, and I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm yet to get hired, but it looks like a very, very solid site. It looks like a solid place to improve my client base, get more jobs, and the rest like that. So it's worth a shot. It's worth a try. You could come here, register, fill in your details, and apply for available jobs. So you can earn money by freelancing. Now, the question you would ask is, what do I do as a freelancer? There are many services you could do. You could offer graphics design. Graphics design on average, as you can see, what is the highest paid, blah, blah, blah. Now this is quite much, obviously. All right, but it's a good place to start. Okay, so let's see how much the graphics designers earn. Now after 5 years of service, this is between 37,000 naira to 134, working for a week hours of 40 hours. So 40 hours per week earns you about 37,000 naira. Let's average that to 37,000 naira to 134,000 naira. I think this is dependent on your skill level. Working for 40 hours a day, a week rather, 40 hours a week means spending about 5 hours in 8 days, so it's quite much. So about 8 hours of work per day for 5 days, excluding the weekend. So you work 8 hours per day, earning that amount, which is quite frankly quite small. But I want to show you this. If you decide to freelance on Fiverr, for example, you are setting yourself up to earn over $10. So this is depending on the level. Now we see a level 2 seller here starting at $10. If you check his work, you'll find out that $10 is actually the least he's offering. I'll show you here. So this is the $10 package, and on Fiverr here you can see $10 is just his basic. So he has $10 for the basic package. His standard package is worth $30, and his premium package is worth $60. So if you have a standard package of $30 and you get about 10 orders in a month, you're making on an average $300 per month. Now, inclusive of Fiverr fees, it means that you will be going home with about $240 in a month. If you multiply that, if you're in Nigeria, for example, and you multiply that by the exchange rate, the black market rate, or the normal bank rate. If you're using the normal bank rate, then you'll be expecting over 50,000 naira, or probably close to 60, 70. But if you're using the black market rate, then you'll be expecting quite a lot of money in that regard, probably 100,000 plus. So you can see it's very lucrative. All you have to do is find clients, get your jobs in. Now this guy doesn't have any other package. All he's offering is for $25. So if he bags about, let's say, 20 clients a month, it means he's making around $500 inclusive of charges. He'll be going on with $400 that month, which is not a bad amount as a graphic designer. And as you can see here, he has done 976 jobs. If you multiply that by 25, you know how much he has made over time. And here you see he has one order in queue. So it means that he's currently working on a job, or who knows, maybe more than one job, and at the same time he has someone waiting in queue for him to get on their own job or to get on their own work. Okay, so it is quite lucrative, and this guy is from Morocco, and he has been a member since August 2017. His last delivery was 2 hours ago. So it means that he's quite good at what he does, and there are other people here. Now take note, you can be one of them. So we see this guy here, $80 per design. 10 jobs in a month is 800, and that is an amazing amount of money if you're in my part of the world. That is. Alright, so I'm gonna stop at graphics design for today so we don't get bored. So the next video, please ensure you watch the next video. I'm going to talk about something else, something entirely different, how you can make money online with another skill. Take note of this. The best way to make money online is by offering a service. Offering a service, offering a service means you must have a skill. It means you must have a skill, all right? And one of the places you can learn or get a skill is on this website, and quite cheaply, I can add. I'm not affiliated with them, but I love the website because of the packages they offer. The website is easylearning.academio.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Now, if you take a look at this website, they have these packages. Now, Facebook marketing goes for $29. Google AdSense goes for $30. What else? Email marketing goes for $30. Viral marketing goes for $55. Facebook remarketing goes for $19.5, and the rest. And as you can see, I'll click on the courses section right here. And as you can see, they offer different courses. YouTube ads, $20. Viral marketing, next level LinkedIn marketing, do for yourself business, $10. The beautiful part about this is majority of the courses here goes for $10, okay? Now, with Google AdSense on its own, or Google AdWords, is it Google AdWords, right? Yeah. Or for example, Facebook ads. Your knowledge of Facebook ads, you can offer your Facebook ads service here on Fiverr. So here's how it works. You come here, apply for the course, get certified, get the knowledge, move over to Fiverr.com, open a gig. It's that simple. So here it says, I'll be your Facebook advertising, marketing, blah, 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 and the rest. And it's going for $40. Set a professional Facebook and Instagram ads campaign. Started at $100. I will run Facebook ad campaigns to grow page likes. $200. Take a look at that. You see now? $500 here. $2,500. This is wild and free. It's definitely wild, man. $125, $295. Now take a look at this market. Take a look at this market. Take a look at this market now. Let me try something. Now I want to show you something now. See this. I'll say this and then I'll end the video right here. Searching for Facebook ads alone, we have 29,918 services available, right? But if we add the word campaign to it, we have 11,000. So we see a significant drop in that amount. It then means now that when you want to create your gig, you can use this keyword, Facebook ads campaign, so you can appear here on this particular page. Now, if you search for more keywords, it might lower the search results. Okay, this increases it, so we're not adding manager. And what other options we have? I'm not going to talk about keyword search and the rest right now. No. I'm not here for that. Okay. Now take a look at this Shopify Facebook ads campaign. So this means now that we have 10,000 here. So if you find a client, for example, that has a Shopify store, you can run Facebook ads for that client at this price. So I'll be a Shopify Facebook. So clients come here to look for people that can promote their Shopify site and drive traffic, and invariably or variably, whichever word works, or directly rather, and directly drive sales. So basically, guys here for the Shopify store or Shopify Facebook ads are seeking to drive traffic to their Shopify page in order to improve their sales. All right, so come to this site. I'll leave the link in the description. So come to this site, apply for a course, start learning, and immediately you're done learning, move over to Fiverr, open your gig, and start offering your service to people. All right, so thank you so much for taking the time. The next video I'm going to talk about something else, and please ensure you watch it and you don't miss it. I've taken a while, I've been on a break for quite some time, but right now I'm back and I'll do my best to release videos almost every day as much as I can. So I'll see you in the next one. All right.